This is a 2017 Chevrolet Silverado Crew Cab LT, black over black cloth interior. Our windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrap steering wheel, OnStar, remote start, CD player, adjustable pedals, satellite radio, electronic climate control. There's a look at the rear seat, running boards, aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, spray-in bed liner, sliding rear window, Z71 off-road package. This vehicle is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Chevrolet, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.